Hi everyone, welcome back to my class. Today we are going to learn about chapter 5 Major Domains of the Earth. As you have read in the first chapter, the Earth is the only planet which has life. Human beings can live here because the life sustaining elements of land, water, and air are present on the Earth. The surface of the Earth is a complex zone in which three main components of the environment meet, overlap, and interact. Look at the image. This image shows about the major domains of the Earth. There are four major domains on the Earth. They are lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and atmosphere. Lithosphere means solid portion of the earth is known as lithosphere. Litho means rocky part. Hydrosphere means watery part of the land is known as hydrosphere. Hudor means water. Now let's see about atmosphere. Gaseous part of the earth is known as the atmosphere. Atmos means vapor. Now let's see about the biosphere. Biosphere is the narrow zone where we find land, water and air together, which contains all forms of life. Let's see about lithosphere in detail. As we have already read about, lithosphere is a solid portion of the earth. It made up of the rocks of the earth's crust and the thin layers of soil that contain nutrient elements which sustain organisms. There are two divisions of the earth's surface. They are continents and ocean basins. Let's see what is continents. A large land masses are known as the continents and the huge water bodies are known as ocean basins. Let's see about detail of continents. There are 7 major continents. They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Now let's see in detail. This is the map of Asia. Asia is the largest continent. It covers about 1/3 of the total land area of the earth. The continent lies in the eastern hemisphere. Asia is separated from Europe by the Ural Mountains on the west. The combined landmass of Europe and Asia called Eurasia. Now let's see about Europe. This is the map of Europe. Europe is much smaller than Asia. The continent lies to the west of Asia. The Arctic Circle passes through it. It is bounded by water bodies on 3 sides. Now let's see about Africa. Africa is the second largest continent after Asia. The equator or 0-degree latitude runs almost through the middle of the continent. A large part of Africa lies in the northern hemisphere. The Sahara Desert, the world's largest hot desert, is located in Africa. The continent is bound on all sides by oceans and seas. The world's longest river, the Nile, flows through Africa. Now, let's see about South America. South America lies mostly in the southern hemisphere. The Andes, world's longest mountain ranges, runs through its length from north to south. South America has the world's largest river, the Amazon. Now let's see about North America. North America is the third largest continent of the world. It is linked to South America by a very narrow strip of land called the Isthmus of Panama. The continent lies completely in the northern and western hemisphere. Now let's learn about Australia. Australia is the smallest continent that lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. It is surrounded on all sides by the oceans and seas. It is called an island continent. Now let's see about the lost continent, Antarctica. Antarctica, completely in the southern hemisphere, is a huge continent. This south pole lies almost at the center of this continent. As it is located in the south polar region, it is permanently covered with thick ice sheets. There are no permanent human settlements. Many countries have research stations in Antarctica. India also has research stations there. These are named as Maitri and Dakshin Gangotri. Let me show the image of Maitri and Dakshin Gangotri research station in Antarctica. Look at this image. This is the Maitri research station which is located in Antarctica. And this one is the Dakshin Gangotri research station which is located in Antarctica. Now let me explain the worksheet. The first question is, what are the 4 major domains of the Earth? The next one is, write 5 sentences about lithosphere. The third one is, name the major continents of the Earth. The last one is, write the names of Indian research stations in Antarctica. Once you're done with the homework, send to the WhatsApp group 6th Standard Social Science NAPS. The timing is between 6 to 8 in the evening. Bye children. Take care. Let's meet in the next session. Have a great day.